You there, female medical ninja. You have it. His blood runs through your veins, doesn't it?
And what if it does?
Then I will take you down first. Your medical ninjutsu is only strong enough to defer death for what essentially amounts to a meaningless period of time. It's pathetic compared to what Hashirama Senju was able to accomplish. He could heal wounds without even weaving a single sigh. In every jutsu he attempted, he was in a class by himself. Everyone viewed him as the ultimate shinobi. So even if you are his descendant, what do you really have to offer? Just what can you hope to do in this battle? You cannot use wood style. Your medical ninjutsu doesn't even come close to his. And most of all, you're merely a weak woman.